Hey, it's Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I wanted to do a very quick video sharing what supplies I'm pairing with the Cocoa Daisy Paperie Collection. So I use this card, which is upside down, from the planner add-on kit to do my matching, color matching. So things I'm using: VersaFine black ink. This is my favorite black ink. A close second is a Ranger archival ink. If you're using a happy planner or paper that things are bleeding through, consider the archival ink. It's great. And then for colored inks, we've got Distressed Bundled Sage, Saltwater Taffy, Tea Dye, Scattered Straw, Speckled Egg, and then I may or may not use, where is it? Nope, not that one. Oh, there it is. If I need like a red, I might use the Versa Magic Red Magic. These are great. These, I don't know if they still make these, but if they do, these are fantastic inks, chalk inks, because they sit up on top of the page instead of bleeding through. So those are my inks. And then I do have washi from the collection, but I went through and did a little shopping of my own stash of washi, and I will grab those and share those. Something I absolutely love about Cocoa Daisy collections is they tend to, the colors tend to repeat themselves. So like these colors we've seen in other collections, and so I feel like if you're looking for inks that are gonna match with a lot of collections, these ones are it, and I love them. So I went through my stash and found a whole bunch of washi that I felt like I could use with this collection, and particularly in my journal and on my morning pages. So I'm super excited, and actually quite a few of these are Cocoa Daisy washis. So yay! And for for markers, again, same deal. I feel like I use these markers like every month, and these, not every month, but a lot of months, and they are going to look beautiful with this collection. So we've got 992, 873, 451, 991, 942, and 850. Some of these are actually available in the Cocoa Daisy shop, so make sure to check to see if they are there. And then the other thing I did was, again, go back through my stash and look for stamps that I felt like would go with this collection. So this is from January, I think 2021, with the birds. This is a February collection for sure. That's January. This is, I just love this one, and I end up bringing this one back a lot. I kept this one because I like these two stamps quite a bit. I love the cup, so this one stays. This one always. Again, I like these two. This one I'm bringing back because I haven't used it nearly enough, and it's so cute. This one from a previous January collection. I like this one for the kind of into spring, but also some of the other sentiments. Another February collection, and then this one I like for the taking naps, rest, refuel, recharge. I'm currently recovering from surgery, and so I need a lot of like reminders to like take it easy because I'm kind of bad at it. Oh, and then of course, Simon, this adorable one. So these are all old stamps from Cocoa Daisy that I rotated back in for this season. So make sure to go back and check your stamps to see what stamps you can use from previous collections. And that's it. So I hope this is helpful, seeing some of the items I'm pulling from my stash to match this papery collection from Cocoa Daisy. Thanks for watching. Bye.